So there's a lot that's been spoken about consolidation in the banking sector. Apart from the fact, of course, that other quarters had a lot of expectation that the 25,000 crore, PSB recap might actually be stepped up. You have added a caveat there. So what's the game plan here in terms of consolidation? Because it's not an easy thing among the public sector space. And one quick question, sir, on the FRBM roadmap going forward. Committee will be looking into things. What do you have in mind as of now?
You see, as far as the consolidation agenda is concerned, as far as the PSBs are concerned, the government has already said that it will bring down, in the long run, its equity. It's open to the idea of bringing it down to 52%. I made a specific reference in my speech to the IDBI, and that reference below 50% was in reference to the IDBI. I think the first and the immediate agenda is that we strengthen the banks. We strengthen them by recapitalization. What I have announced today is not the last word or the last amount as far as recapitalization is concerned. And therefore, be prepared, there will be something more which will happen. There is some amount which is a carry forward of the current year, which is still to be spent. And thereafter, we are willing to look at consolidation. Consolidation among subsidiaries, consolidation of subsidiaries with principal bank, consolidation of weak bank with strong bank, subject to that overall 52% discipline that we've laid down for ourselves. Now, as far as the FRBM is concerned, both the Finance Secretary and the Chief Economic Advisor have just explained that we've carried on a big debate, and this was in fact, I was glad that this dominated the center stage in the last couple of weeks, that issues of such economic importance also have developed a tendency to dominate the center stage of debate as to whether we require fiscal prudence and discipline, since we announced last year that we were pausing for a year, but maintaining the direction. And since public investment had to be kept high, should we again for a second year running revise the target? Now, as it turned out to be, because of various factors, we realized that even this year we could meet the target and also keep to the financial discipline itself. There were not two, but there were three different opinions. There were the purists who wanted the 3.5 to be strictly adhered to. There were those who said spend more. It doesn't make a difference if it's marginally altered. And there was a third view of people who said this year stick to 3.5, but at the same time, for the future, just review whether you should always have a figure or you should have a small range.